We're here at Eurostory 2018. I'm speaking to Jean Vandel, Sales Director for Texelis. Jean, I understand that Texelis have recently launched a new range of chassis and are showing an example of that at this show. Could you talk us through the chassis range, which I understand at the moment consists of 3 different chassis?
Thank you, Shaun. You're absolutely right. At this stage, we have 3 different kinds of chassis. One for which we have been awarded by French government. We have this 17-ton chassis dedicated for Serval vehicle. Serval vehicle will be used by French Army for the next 30 years and is capable of bringing 10 people on board. This is really a dedicated product for a compact vehicle, very high technology and very high performance. We have another range, Texelis platform, which are for export application, and it's made of one 14-ton variant and another one 18-ton variant. So this is TXP 14 and TXP 18-ton for customers who are then putting a vehicle hull on top of it to create a vehicle. This is really for export.
The Serval chassis you mentioned, Serval has previously been known as VBM-R Light by the French Army, is that correct?
You are absolutely correct. During tender process, it was called VBM-R Light, and during Eurosatory first day, French Army has disclosed the official name of Serval. So it's now known as Serval, with industry involved, next to Texelis, and this is the French Army name, Serval.
And are there similarities between the Serval chassis and Texelis's 14-ton and 18-ton chassis, or is the Serval chassis very much different?
It's very different. There are only similarities in the name of suppliers. So we're using the same suppliers, but not the same products, and it's engineered in a completely different way. So just to give you an example, TXP 14 and 18 has Serval, use Cummins engine, but not the same. So Serval has an 8.9 litre engine, while TXP family use a 6.7 in different ratings. So there's a lot of difference, but the similarities are only in the name of suppliers.
And the suspension systems on them all, would I be correct if I were to suggest that they're all independent and developed in partnership with Timony?
Right. On suspension system, the Serval system is fully dedicated. It's engineered by Texelis only. And on TXP family, we use either our product T900, which is Timony intellectual property, while the T700 is a shared development, which means it's both brands, Timony and Texelis.
With regard to the 14-ton and 18-ton chassis, I appreciate there may be customer confidentiality involved, but are there any examples that are currently out there being evaluated, trialled, looked at, that you can discuss?
Right. Initial chassis we're going to supply, we are supplying a Middle East customer imminently, and then they will be evaluated in a near future.
We've discussed engines being Cummins. I understand transmissions are usually Allison. Are these the 2 brands that you would like to use as preferred suppliers, or would you engineer alternatives if customers requested?
At this stage, we will definitely cooperate with those 2 suppliers or 2 partners, Cummins and Allison, and they are really our preferred way of developing our chassis.
Excellent. Thank you very much.